Swan? Are you listening?
Mm-hmm.
So we're at book club, and that Carol, she had the nerve to say my idea was shallow. Honestly. Can you believe that? I just prefer a happy ending, you know? She always has to make everything about her. But, I mean, at my expense? I mean, was that necessary? Swan?
Sorry, what was that?
What do you think, dear? About Carol? I just thought the book would have been better if they gotten married at the end. Is that really shallow? I'm just sick of all the negativity, especially at book club.
Mom, that's Carol for you. She didn't need to put you on the spot, though, I guess.
I knew you'd understand. Did I tell you how she was bragging about her daughter's wedding? I guess I can't blame her for being excited. But she's always had a big ego. Honestly, some people never change. Especially not Carol.
Mom, can we skip the Carol saga? I've been driving for 4 hours and just got here, so I kind of need to...
Oh, am I boring you? We just haven't spoken in weeks.
Mom, it's not that.
So, you made it to Velvet Cove. You see your friends? Are they there yet?
I'm still in the car, Mom. I haven't seen my friends yet.
Good. Then we can stay on the phone for a bit.
Mm-hmm.
I found this old album I'd like to show you. It's got photos of us at the new house. Remember? Christmas? You know, that was the last holiday before everything went sideways.
Christmas at your place? Feels like ages ago.
Well, it was. I've been meaning to ask you, when do you plan on coming to see me? I know you don't like coming to socialize, but it's been 2 years. And it hasn't been easy for me, with the pandemic and all.
Why don't you come and visit me? You never leave Vancouver.
You're being selfish. I'm old, and you know it's hard to get to your little town.
Is it?
So, what's going on in Michigan? It's your first trip since the pandemic started. And it's to Velvet Cove. Of all places. You haven't spoken to these friends you're meeting since what, high school?
Yeah, I'm seeing those friends I met in 95. We made a promise, but to be honest, I don't remember much from back then. I'm hoping they can help me remember.
You're still thinking about promises you made when you were 16. You haven't seen them in, what, 27 years?
Just, trust me. I can't explain right now.
Was it a summer fling? One of your phases? You can be honest. Really, Swan.
Whatever you say.
It's always like this with you. You've always kept me in the dark.
Mom.
Back then, you'd rather converse with that cat than with us. What did you call him? Pudding. Fluffy. Gloom.
His name was Snowy, Mom.
Oh, right. Snowy. I'm sure I have some pictures of him around here somewhere. I'll show you when you visit.
Mm-hmm.
You're coming for Christmas, right? Now that you're traveling again?
I'm not sure if I'll be able to visit for Christmas. But
The
I'll
reception's
think about it.
terrible. This is so frustrating. What did you say?
Nothing important, Mom.
The whole family will be there. Do you really want to be the odd one out again, dear? Your cousins will be there. Emily's bringing the new baby.
Mom, I'll decide later. I really have to go.
But wait, Swan.
Bye. Well, that was exhausting. Get it together. Okay. I can do this.
Hurry! Get up! Come on!
Velvet Cove. Just being here brings back memories.
Are you drunk, dude? No, I'm just crazy. Take the blue and range stickers. Put them where everyone can see them.
Okay. This is it. No going back. I can't help right now, Mom! I gotta go! It's summer break, you know?
It's raining!
Who cares?
Can't you help pack a few boxes till it stops? It's gonna be muddy out on the trails.
Mud, it's fine. And I gotta go to the movie palace. My rental's due.
Fine. Don't forget Dad's party tonight.
I know.
You better shower when you get back.
I'm closing my door. Oh, where'd I leave that tape? The dark crystal. Don't want to pay the late fee this time. Gotta get dressed, I guess. How do I look, Snowy? Bad? Just kidding. Sorry. Okay, where'd I hide that rental? The dark crystal. Bingo.
Oh, this isn't the movie palace case, though. Where'd you hide it, Fluff Butt? My daily moment of zen. Whoa, remember this one, Fuzzbutt? My first home video. I know you think these boxes are yours, Snowy, but I've gotta pack them for the move soon. Oh, I can tell you were playing with my stuff again, Fluffbutt. Plants are so much cooler than people. Right, Fluffbutt? Pretty sure I was born the wrong species. Better hurry. Oh, I love it when it rains like this. Are you excited to move, buddy? I hope there's a good movie theater at least in Vancouver. Ugh, these backups always take forever. Oh my god. I should watch this again. It was so good. Movie Palace. This is it. If only the Dark Crystal world was real. I'd love to live there, Fluffbutt. Thanks, Mom. Okay. Should be some room in my bag. Collector's edition. Too bad the candy tastes like chalk. The people who say they can see these things must be totally lying. How do you even go cross-eyed? Oh, backup's done. Perfect. I can film you a bit before I leave, Snowy. Let me just grab my camcorder. Thanks, Dad. Best Sweet 16 present ever. I'll never get sick of filming you, buddy. Should I call this a meow more? Thanks, buddy. That's good. Here's my little fluff butt. The star of my daily shoots. I must be the only girl on Earth that wants to watch this many cat videos. Oh, whatever. What else should I shoot in here? I want to record as much as I can before we move, buddy. Wait, the lights are off. Can't believe I've got to pack all this up soon. Alrighty, that works. I already miss camp. Alrighty. A cardinal? Don't scare him off, Snowy. That's the perfect shot. That's a wrap. I'll film more on the trail. Better get going. Bye, Snowy. Love you.
Hey there. Be out in a jiff. Short staff tonight.
Take your time.
Where'd you guys get those beers?
My dad's extra fridge. He never notices.
If he catches you, you're so dead.
You know what? Fuck it. Maybe I want to get caught. If he kicked me out, I could go live with my mom. One mystery drink coming right up. You ready?
I was born ready. No pinching your nose.
Yeah, we know that trick.
Bottoms up.
Seriously, you've got to come over. You have, like, so much to learn. We'll start with some punk music, obviously.
I wonder if he's got a spare charger. Come on, hold still. No, don't leave. I wonder if they ever try to jump the fence. Oh, he's back. Swan here. This is the Michelson Ranch. These deer are bred and raised for sport. Hunting's done. Hello? Any little forest friends out there? Oh, geese! Maybe I can catch them on tape. Wonder where you three went last winter.
I should watch what I shot before I forget.
I think that's enough.
Aw, come back.
Everyone left. Guess I'm alone. As usual. Where'd I put that granola bar? Hello, squirrel. Wanna be in my movie?
Whoa. Got somewhere to be, little guy. Oh, sorry, Birdie.
Thanks for waiting. The new barback calls out if he so much as sneezes. Everything okay, miss?
Oh, sorry. I spaced out.
No worries. Didn't mean to scare you. I'm Gus.
Hello. How are you?
Can't complain? You don't look too familiar. You from out of town? Don't see new faces all that often. Not this time of year, anyway.
I grew up here. Moved out to Canada years ago now.
Oh, well, welcome back.
Thanks.
Say, you happen to be meeting someone? A lady about your age came in just before you.
Oh, I am an old friend from school. We're having a little reunion.
Thought so. Nice that you're doing that. Keeping in touch after so many years, that's tough for a lot of people.
Thanks. It's kind of a special night. I never thought we'd see each other again.
Better make the best of it. You never know when it'll be the last time.
Indeed.
Don't mind me, I just ramble on sometimes. So, what can I do for you? You let me know.
I could use a phone charger, if you've got
Oh,
one.
of course. Yeah, we got a plug back here somewhere. Works for most of them, except those brand new ones.
Oh, thanks.
You bet. What about a drink? We've got some specials for happy hour. Or maybe you'd rather wait and order with your friend?
Nature calls. Might just head to the bathroom first.
Sure.
Oh, where's the ladies' room?
Just down the hall to your right. Well, nice to meet you. And welcome home.
Thanks.
Hey there, miss.
Hi.
Dude, you have got to chill.
here, like drinking a fucking beer right now. This is like actually bad. We might totally be screwed.
I'm so over this town. Promise me we'll get out of here, Swan. I don't want to go alone.
Swan, get over here. I know you know all the words. Sing!
Sorry, just give me a sec.
Here, we have evidence of a minor suburban tragedy. A dropped ice cream cone. But in nature, nothing goes to waste. And now, we discovered the source of the ill-fated cone, the Youper Scooper. Hey,
Closing
it finally
up
reopened.
early. Last chance for scoops.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Nor.
A frozen slushie on a hot summer's day. Maybe I should get one. For research. And then capture more footage. Lots to do before I head home. This has been Swan, filming at the Movie Palace on July 7th, 1995. More to come.
Bzz, 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 bzz.
I should watch what I shot before I forget. I should watch what I shot before I forget. Huh. Is the scooper still open?
Hey, you. Are you naturally red-haired?
Me? Yeah, my hair's really red.
Whoa. Cool. You seem like the quiet type, Ginger.
Sorry. I'm just here to film.
Interesting.
Welcome. Meowdy. Hi?
Ooh, she's closing. Sorry.
Nora, cut it out.
I mean, I guess I don't mind missing the trailers.
Chill. Just let me know if you have any questions.
Never mind. I'll try again some other time. Since you're closing.
You're a lifesaver.
Bye then. Sorry to bug you.
No problem.
Dude, I'm melting. Thank God the multiplex keeps their AC on blast.
You're going to the movies?
Yeah. Right after this.
That's awesome. I love movies.
Cool. Not much to do around here anyways, right?
Yeah. It's a nice theater.
So, see you around. There we go. Oh. Swan? Autumn. It's really you. This is... Wow, just unbelievable. It's been so long. I know. This is just crazy. It is. I wasn't sure if I'd recognize you. I'm still the same old Swan. Good. You were waiting, right? Go ahead. We'll catch up. I'm at the last booth. Left of the front door. See you there. Okay. I'll just be a minute.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
Dude, I'm surprised your parents haven't put you up for adoption.
Oh.
Oh my
idea.
God. Hey, I don't think my boss would want a customer wandering around back here.
Oh. Oops.
All good.
You sound so serious. It's weird.
Uh-huh.
Here at Movie Palace, we have all the Hollywood hits.
These cramps are the worst.
We can stay. And
See each other